Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and today we are in sunny San Diego. We're at the Embassy Suites by Hilton, San Diego Bay downtown. Amazing area right here. I'm going to show you a bit more about that in a little bit, but I wanted to show you which room we were in. Right there in the middle, the top right balcony. Awesome location on the 12th floor. Give you a peek at our room. One of the reasons that we love Embassy Suites, they are a Hilton property, but they're also set up so that every single room is a suite, which is amazing for family travel. I've been speaking about these properties a lot lately, and the reason is that when you travel with kids, especially for us traveling with teenagers, these are just awesome properties to stay at because they offer so much room. As you can see, nice big living room type area here. The sofa folds into a bed. You've got your dining table and whatnot, and then a little kitchenette type area over here with the sink, coffee machine. You've got a microwave and a refrigerator here, which makes it really nice if you want to bring food back to the room. And this location in particular is great for that because there are so many wonderful dining options close to this hotel. So now we'll take a peek at the bathroom. Again, super roomy, great for families. We really like the product at this Embassy Suites. We hadn't used this kind before, but they definitely take care of you. They keep it very well stocked. And nice big shower area, nice big bathroom. But one thing I really loved is that there's a door here that shuts off the living space there. You've got the door to the bathroom and another sink area out here. That came in so handy when everyone's trying to get ready and do their thing. And as always, lots of storage space, as you can see, hanging space, ironing board and whatnot, lots of drawer space. We have a king bed room. I do believe this is also available in a 2 queen bed option, but again, look at this space. It's just laid out so well. I love the apartment style. Such a deep space and so much room for everybody. But the kicker to this property, and I showed you from the outside which room we were in, is the view. I highly recommend a balcony room if you can because it makes your stay amazing. We're looking out over the San Diego Bay area here in Seaport Village. You've got a view of the downtown, the headquarters at Seaport Village, and then Seaport Village over here with the bay, with all of the ships and things to do. There's a Cheesecake Factory, a Starbucks. The headquarters is this little shopping area right there with all kinds of eateries and whatnot. And then you've got Seaport Village with the carousel, tons of restaurants, lots of shopping, and just so much to see and do. So again, just a fantastic place to stay, very comfy. They make it feel like home, and we just love these spaces because it just doesn't feel like you're crammed into a hotel room. It really, truly feels like a home away from home. And that is one of the reasons we love Embassy Suites in these properties. Another reason that we love them is the way that they lay them out. We're coming down the elevator now from the 12th floor, and you can see how each floor is laid out. As we come down, the second floor has a really nice mezzanine type area with meeting spaces and kind of living room setups if you wanted to meet there. But one of my favorite features about these properties is the breakfast. They offer free breakfast for families at Embassy Suites. That includes an omelet bar where they make your own omelet. Everything else you could want though. Just a huge selection. Really well done. Okay, next we're going to take a look at the pool and fitness center. Another thing that we really love about these properties, as you can see, it's a beautiful area, big and spacious. This indoor pool area is so nice. My kids loved it. And it has all that bright sunshine coming through. And then over here we'll take a look at the fitness center, which also makes it so easy to just keep up your routine when you're away from home, to know that you're coming somewhere that has everything that you'll need. Just really well done. And another thing that we love about Embassy Suites is that all of this is included in your stay. So that makes it really nice. And last but not least, the location of this Embassy Suites is amazing. It is 2 blocks away, walking distance from Seaport Village. You can see the hotel right there. Quick walk over here to Seaport Village. So many great places to eat and shop and dine. And then just a little bit more down the bay, you can walk to this wonderful outdoor amphitheater. It's the Rady Center. Right now they're playing an outdoor showing of Black Panther. It was amazing. Again, I just can't say enough great things about this hotel location. Quick Lyft or Uber rides to just about anywhere. The zoo, SeaWorld, Mission Bay, everything is so close, lots of things in walking distance, and as you can see, just a beautiful area, so much to see and do. We visited on 4th of July weekend, and the absolute kicker to this hotel was the fireworks show. You have a view of fireworks from all of the surrounding areas, and that made it so special. So I highly recommend the Embassy Suites by Hilton San Diego Bay downtown, especially for 4th of July weekend. Let me know if you have any questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.